Good evening.
What is your name?
My name is Victor.
What are you wearing? Are you wearing something?
I'm wearing a littered. It's actually clothes, so don't be tricky, especially the last rows.
Where are you from, Victor?
I was born in Ukraine, and now I'm proud American for 20 years.
Oh, wow. Congratulations. And what do you do?
I'm a juggler.
A juggler. How did you get into this?
When I was 5 years old, my brother snuck me from the kindergarten and bring me to the juggling show that was in my little town. And since then, I was fascinated with juggling and decided to juggle.
Victor, how old are you?
Simon, I'm 45.
You look great.
Thank you.
All right. Go ahead. Show us what you do.
Amazing costume.
Yeah.
My name is Ryan Beard.
Ryan Beard, and how old are you, Ryan?
I'm 18 years old.
Nice to meet you, Ryan.
It's nice to meet you too, Simon.
And where are you from?
I'm from Kansas City.
Okay, so tell me about you.
I love singing, and I think that this is the place for me.
And you live with your mum and dad?
I do live with my mom and dad, yes.
Okay, and where did you go to school?
I went to school inside of my living room.
Oh, so you were
Really?
homeschooled.
Yeah.
Good job, Mom.
Did you like that?
Oh, how could I not love having my parents there 24/7?
What is the prom like?
What's the prom like? You know, you dim the lights, my younger brother comes in and slow dance the night away.
I like that. So it wasn't your choice, Ryan, to be homeschooled?
It was not my choice, no.
They sort of made you?
Oh, yeah.
What about girls? Did it help you with girls?
Did being homeschooled help me with girls?
Yeah.
Not exactly, no. Not exactly.
So do you have a girlfriend now?
No, I do not have a girlfriend. And also, I've never had one, so...
No,
What's the song you're going to sing?
I'll be doing a song called Ladies' Man.
You wrote it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, all the ladies are already standing. Look at that. All the ladies.
I see some ladies that are already excited about it.
I told you the ladies were gonna love him.
I'm the type of guy that the ladies just can't refuse. I'm the guy who understands everything about social cues. Hi, I like your face. I bet you're wondering how I got this way. A social butterfly the ladies never leave alone. Well, the answer is pretty clear. It's 'cause I was school in bed till 3 p.m. and be completely naked for my final exams. The only time I thought something might be wrong is when my date to the prom was my mom. Don't go to prom with your mom.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Welcome to America's Got Talent.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, you're welcome. And who are you?
I'm David.
And I'm Lehman.
And,
geez.
Nate, should we switch
We
them?
probably should.
There you go. Perfect. All right.
Did you just see that? Did you see what I saw? So you're magicians.
We are magicians, yes.
Ta-da!
Thank you, Howie, for getting that.
Okay, wow. Now, is that what you guys do for a living?
I'm a high school philosophy teacher in the day.
And you, what do you do?
They're probably going to cheer even louder. I'm a barista.
So you're going to do magic for us?
We're not going to show you a trick.
No, we're going to show you a demonstration of pseudoscience.
And for this, we need a volunteer. Actually, Howie, could you join us on stage? Give us some encouragement.
Really?
Yes.
Like a pseudo-volunteer.
Have a seat. Now, have you heard of phrenology?
Phrenology.
Phrenology, filling the bumps of the skull to figure out personality traits. We're not going to do that. David and I came up with pressure phrenology.
That's right.
That's by squeezing parts of the skull, we can actually get you to lose the ability to do certain things.
Don't worry, it's completely safe.
It's completely safe.
Completely safe.
We're pseudoscientists.
We are pseudoscientists tonight.
You have to touch?
But that's okay. I came prepared.
Okay.
Do you mind if I pressure phrenol your head?
Okay. What are you doing?
If I squeeze here, you lose the ability to play the piano. Can you play the piano?
No.
Ladies
No.
and gentlemen, amazing. Thank you.
If I squeeze here, you lose the ability to do a standing backflip. Can you do a standing backflip?
No.
A miracle.
And if I squeeze here, you can no longer read.
That's right. We brought these cards with words written on them, and these words all pertain to you, Howie. Okay?
I will once again pressure phrenol you.
You what?
I'm gonna squeeze your head.
Taking away his ability to read.
Can now no longer read.
Right. Judges, yes or no? Can you read this word?
Yes.
Yes. Howie, yes or no? Can you read this?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and sound it out.
What's not? Cannot.
It's okay, but judges, you can read this, right?
Yes.
Now, this is weird, right? Now, to make sure we're not doing anything tricky, we have a camera.
Wait.
Come in here.
Is it a word?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a word you know?
Yes.
See, you're screwing with me. No. Show me it.
We'll
show you.
We'll show you.
Okay.
Judges, yes or no? Can you read this?
Yes.
And it's a word you know.
Yes.
It's a word you know.
Okay.
Howie, yes or no? Can you read this?
Corn poops?
What is it?
Gora poops?
People at home.
Gora poops. You can read that. You can read that. They can read it. They can read it.
But you
Gora
can read, you
poops?
can read this.
Why is that a word you know? What does Gora poops mean?
One more, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Howie, just this last one. What is this one?
Havlo mono. That's what it says.
He is no longer pressure phenoling you, so you should be able to read. Judges, yes or no? Can you read this?
Yes, we can read.
What does that say?
Comedian.
Perfect. Yes or no, judges? Can you read this?
Yes.
Yes.
Germaphobe.
Perfect. Okay. And yes or no, judges? Can you read this?
Yes.
And
My name, Howie
Howie
Mandel.
Mandel. Please give Howie Mandel a huge round of applause.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That's the way to enter a stage. What's your name?
I go by Tone, the Chief Rocker, and this is my brother Coley Cole, my hype man.
How y'all doing?
All right. What is it you do?
What I do is I shut the house down. Yeah.
I like this
Tell
guy.
you something.
Tone the Chief Rocker, what is the dream here, my man?
My dream is to be a one-hit wonder. All I need is one song. One song.
No, Tone.
One song only.
Tone.
One song.
I have met guys in my radio career who had one hit, and they can live off that hit for the rest of their life.
Right?
Right.
Right?
Now, do you have an original song that could be a one-hit
Yes,
wonder?
sir.
Yes, we do.
sir. The name
Look
of
at
my-
you.
Yes,
the name of
we
my
do.
song is B-O-O-T-Y.
T.Y.
Booty.
I know you're gonna feel that.
Booty.
I know
You
you're
love
gonna feel that.
Booty.
But man,
But
OG. Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
you're igniting this crowd. You know who you remind me of? The Gangnam Style guy from
That's
Korea.
what I'm trying to be.
Right. I want to see a one-hit wonder. We're going to hear about Booty.
I'm ready.
Hollywood, California, are y'all ready? Oh, yeah, we got some love. We got some love. Here we go. Hit it.
Hit it.
B-double-O-T-Y. 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 That what that show is fine. That B-double-O-T-Y. Can't get that off my mind. That B-double-O-T-Y. Can't get that off my mind. Here we go, yo. Good guy, oh my. Look at that B-double-O-T-Y. Gonna say a rub just called my eye. Mama say, mama saw me by two sides. Oh, yes, y'all. Jumping like a solid little mama don't fall. I gotta say, mama, but look at that B-double-O-T-Y. That B-double-O-T-Y. That what that show is fine. That B-double-O-T-Y. Can't get that off my mind. That B-double-O-T-Y. Can't get that off my tongue. What's got that B-double-O? B-double-O, that B-double-O. B-double-O, that B. B-double-O, B-double-O, B-double-O-T-Y.
Hi,
How you doing?
nice outfit.
Thank you. It's just something I threw together this morning.
Very nice. What is your name?
Christopher,
Hi, Christopher. Where are you from?
Las Vegas.
From Las Vegas. And how old are you, Christopher?
I'm 54.
No way. Uh-huh.
Wow.
I'm not even gonna ask what you're gonna do. Let's just watch.
Thank you.
What's happening? What's going on, Nick?
Be patient.
Oh my God.
Hi, welcome to America's Got Talent. What's your name?
My name's Piff the Magic Dragon. You might have heard of my older brother, Steve.
What are you going to do for us today, Piff?
I'm a magic dragon, Mel. I'm going to do some magic. You know, a little bit of magic.
And why America's Got Talent?
It was either this or Game of Thrones. And I'll be honest, Mel, I don't want to die yet.
Go on, Piff. Go for it.
You ready? Can I? Heidi.
Yes.
My wife's actually called Heidi.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And how's that going?
That's pretty good. Well, we've only just met.
Ooh. Hello.
I'm only kidding, you haven't got a chance. All right, let's give Heidi a round of applause. She joins you on stage. Go get up here, Heidi. Come on, Heidi, you have to come on stage now.
For real?
Yeah, for real, it's gonna happen. You're gonna meet a real-life magic dragon, Heidi. There's only one of me. I'm the last of the species. Come on, Heidi. Over here. Come on. Heidi, do you have any playing cards? Do you have any playing cards?
I
You do? On you?
do. No, I don't. Have any
Hang on, let me just try and find the will to live. No, I don't have it, Heidi. All right, Heidi, do you have any playing cards? No.
I don't.
Heidi, over here, I got a prediction. It's a prediction. It's not for now, it's for later. Ready? You're going to touch a back of any one of these cards. Any one of these cards you're going to touch a back of. You touchy. There we go. That one just there. Lovely. Heidi, let's see how you did this one. You like this one? Yeah. Very good. All right, do you have a pen? It just got real. This is for you. That's it. Uncap, lovely. And if you could write your name nice and neatly in the little white space along the top, just in the white space so everyone can see it. That's it, Heidi. Perfect. Lovely. And blow it dry. Oh, a little heart. That's very nice of you. eBay. Perfect. All right, Heidi, before this, I made a prediction. You chose the King of Hearts. Ladies and gentlemen, my prediction, the Seven of Spades. So basically, Heidi was wrong. It happens, Heidi. But don't worry, Heidi, if I could really do magic, it would look a bit like this.
If you ever change your mind, I'll be around where I used to be. Lonely heart and all, waiting for your call. If you ever change your mind, I'll be gentle, sweet, and kind, dear. If you ever change your mind.
Ladies and gentlemen, as predicted, it's Seven of Spades.
If you ever change your mind.
Heidi, is that your name still on the card?
It is.
It is. This is for you.
I keep this?
You got, yeah, it's just $12.
Dang it, how did you do that?
It's genuinely $12. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause to Heidi. Returns back to her judge. Get out of here. That's all I got for you, judges. Oh! What's the deal? Oh, thanks.
I'm ready for you guys. What is the name of your group?
I'm Little Mike. I'm Funny Bone. And together we are Mike Bone.
Mike Bone! You guys are brothers?
Yes, sir.
What are your real names?
They call me Jesus.
Jesus.
It's what happens when Indians name children.
Right. You're Native American?
Yes, sir.
You're Jesus?
Both of us. We're both
What do you mean?
Jesus.
Is your real name Jesus?
Yeah, I was born on
And your
Christmas.
real name is Jesus, too?
Yeah. You know, the sad thing is there's one between us, and his name is Jesus.
Nice. How tall are you guys, just so we know?
52 inches.
Hard to get girls at that size, or no problem?
Just give me a chair, I'll be all right.
Way to go, way to go. Just give us a brief rundown of what we're about to see.
We rap and we dance.
You do this professionally?
Yeah, I've been doing it.
You make money? How much money did you make last year doing this?
Woo!
Well, that doesn't look very good.
$300 a show. We stay booked.
That's a lot of wampum, isn't it?
Yes.
Absolutely. All right, best of luck.
Yeah!
Mike Bone!
Shut the box, never faded, boy. Oklahoma be the 46th state, boy. And I ain't going nowhere, I'm here to stay, boy. You can call me every eye, cause I'm full-blood Indian. Washed in the blood, full-blood Christian. Set it up, go add it up. The name funny, bro, cause I had you cracking it up. I must be good, cause the money's sticking up. What? Get down, it don't matter how. I don't dance to wolf, I'm a native blow. Now put your hands to the roof, right dance. Oh!
Do the rain dance.
He looks creepy.
Good evening. Welcome to America's Got Talent.
I'm a little afraid now. I don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
And you are you. What? Do you have a name? You're taped. You're taped. What are you going to be doing? You don't know.
So, what is this?
Maybe will we talk after?
Maybe.
Okay, I love a mystery. Go ahead and do what it is you do.
There's only you in my life, the only thing that's right.
So silly.
My first love, your every breath that I take, your every step I make,
And I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do.
and your eyes, they tell me how much you care.
Oh yes, you will always be
My endless love.
Never seen you looking so lovely as you did tonight. I've never seen you shine so
Brilliant.
Never seen so many men ask you if you wanted to dance. Looking for a little romance, given half a chance. I have never seen that dress you're wearing, or the highlights in your hair that catch your eye. I have been blind, lady in red.
Hi there.
Look at you.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Kenichi Ebina.
What is your act?
My act is dance-ish performance.
Dance-ish.
Ish, yes.
Okay. How did you get into dance-ish kind of performing?
I knew only the one step called the Running Man. Like. And when I did it, people got loud. And I was like, yeah. And so I was like, oh, I feel good.
All right. Good luck. Have fun.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my God!
Yeah, I'm good.
Hi, guys. So who are you?
Lincoln Bridge.
Okay, and can you tell me your names, please?
I'm Echo. Montree Davis.
Okay.
I'm Sean, China Lacey. Big room.
I can see that. And how long has this been together?
For a little bit of time, we here and there, you know, breaking off. When we was kids, we kind of met.
Yeah. So why have you entered the show, America's Got Talent?
I don't know, man. This dude right here, he's just a big dreamer. And because of his huge dreams, we got together, man.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Doom, doom, doom.
Oh.
Doom, doom, doom.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, as I read that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare do come true. Someday I wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops, so way above the chimney top. That's where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly,